Bobby Baman Kher and Kartik Kher. Shri Kartik Kher. Bobby and Kartik Kher, Baman Kher and Kartik Kher. Manju Moza, Baman Kher, Kartik Kher. And the Mauritius, Indian Ocean. Me, Sanjay Kher.
Rikmalin andaz saan saaz be aaz
Gel Şengül Mami. Şamur şunu.
समय निश्चित प्रोग्राम का श्री संजय खेर साहब संजय खेर साहब तो यस क्या था सोशल कल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से तिपने एसोसिएशन था आफ्टर माइग्रेशन
Absolutely correct, sir.
तिमन मंस क्या
Very right.
योगदान क्या रो तिमन
Especially मैं मरा ची हम सदन इस नाम था समझन ड्राई असोस तम सदन इस तो तुमने साइ पात पैदल मींस कर्फ्यूस में आई सारी आई Can you believe it that हम साथ तम साथ वो ऐसे अक opportunity सामान तारनस कशीर पेटन वो सिस्टर द खानदार सिस्टर हुंदन पातम पांच खानदार असोस दुनिया सामान हुमुत तो ऐसे dump us Kashmir manzi kormut garas manzi kormut which could not be removed to Delhi or from that place shifted sumara root peti that mara hukne I was mara was tuta engross at Kashmir Samti Delhi manzan patamara tim dharna ditan patamara so ITOs but patris bihun patamara so varia protests karin patamara so that man catch man jail gasun parliament street as mazan all those things you were at peak all the time. You know, you got them certain at the cost of my wealth, which would have been removed from Kashmir but have be shifted. Delhi haka, magar asmara ko tam certain dedicate poor tax system. So they would say kya karta? Well, I don't want you should post please sir. I don't want because I would say that I have been a foot soldier. I want to remain as a foot soldier. Because I would, because yasan question karo. Who I am? Who am I? What is my contribution? There may be so many people who may be at the front. Yeah, let me do something for the community. Even if I do one small gesture or small act, and it helps in the larger interest of the community, I am blessed. I am happy. I am satisfied. मैं कैसे नहीं बैठी है? तो भाई इमन organization से तुम्हारा ओसुस बो तो भाई पाते पनुम कश्मीर से I endorse the opinion. I'm very strong supporter of that, and I feel that कि यम कशर तते सन पन मुसलमान बय छ तते ऐसे कशीर मज ठीक छु ऐसे गई लड़ाई पान गई थोड़ा सा लड़ाई तो तिमो छुन ऐसे घर मंज कड़ बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट कि यस ऐसे 5,500 वरियन हंस यस आ रिच हेरिटेज छ सो गज डाउन द ड्रेन वी कैन नॉट लूज इट ऐसे छु ऐसे पनुन हिस्से युस छु ऐसे गछ सो ऐसे यसान हमेशा युस मना ये लार्जर context Indian subcontinent is poor Vedanta the Vedic the by for thousands and thousands years yat much flourish gamas Indian subcontinent as much we are a part of that as that's integrate gatsun integrate ke ba agar son keth portion of sakul mele as tate kashiri maz at areas maz at thayuse India sit be union territory and by any means yaar why should we weep all time in future go mion matlab mara chu whenever it happens wherever it happens I feel that we should strongly support it and we should be with it and we should live side by side with our Kashmiri Muslim brothers and be there in Kashmir we should never lose I suppose lose karun Kashmir asmara I may be having 10 houses all over the world. But my home is always in Kashmir. Always in Kashmir. I have not been able to sleep. I want to have a sound sleep in my own home in Kashmir. And that's why I want my homeland. It shouldn't be 24 by 7 hours. But I need to have a home there and I have to kuni jai to dunya mas nokri karit काम karit magar me gats ak base asin home as manzan kashir maz
Dashaka tu botha yuzen esa tohi vanni marzi hunt ka darshakan ta bozna wani sanasha
I will go by your choice sir
chalo please chalo restaurant pane
Kartik Kher, Babu. Kartik Kher, Babu. London. History speaks from the walls. History speaks from the walls of London. Ah. Hey, mummy. Enjoy जगह करा enjoy. जान पड़कर enjoy.
Rhythmally अंदाज साज साज बे आवाज साज